Hello and welcome to the Gen 5 Basic User video series. My name is George and I'm a training specialist here at Biotech Instruments, and in this video we'll be discussing the Simulate Read mode. For training and educational purposes, we have a Simulate mode that will allow you to practice without being connected to a reader. This is a useful tool to test settings or to get a feel for how a procedure may behave or work when you are connected to an instrument. To turn on Simulate mode, we'll want to click this blue microplate icon, and then from the System menu, select System, Administrator Login. The default password from install is admin in all lowercase letters. Select OK. Once logged in this bottom right-hand corner, we'll click the downward arrow, select Simulate Read, and then scroll back to the top, select the blue microplate icon, and we can now proceed to setting up our read. Thank you for following along.